on vacation. So where you wanna go? Love is our destination.
Follow me now.
We going on vacation. So where